MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
We're at North Bucks Machining, who are part of the MTD network. Rose has been kind enough to invite us along, so let's go inside and find out more about the business. So Rose, thanks for having us along today at North Bucks Machining.
Thank you for coming today.
Absolutely. Well, just tell us about the business, please.
Well, the business was formed 6 years ago, and my husband worked for a large food manufacturing company, and he was actually made redundant. The department's been made redundant. We knew there was a need for the work that was going on in the department, so we actually offered a service within the organisation. So we set up there for a year, and then we had to move, because obviously we needed to then approach other companies and explain what we were doing as far as repairing and refurbing the moulds for the milk bottle industry. From then, we've moved to this unit, and we've diversified and found out various other customers, gone into different areas of manufacturing. So, for example, we support laboratory manufacturers, and we also do packaging companies as well. We've got a packaging company across the road, and we're repairing and we're creating parts for their machines as well. So business is good. We're a family business. We're very passionate about what we do. We offer specific support service as far as the refurbs and bespoke design on products as well. We needed a 5-axis machine to create new moulds. We come up with some designs for some new moulds, and so that's when the 5-axis machine came into the equation.
Excellent. So really, been going 6 years, fantastic success story, and you've taken a big step in investing in that new machine. How's that really helped you?
Well, 5-axis was, so we've got my husband, which is old school, and the manual machines, and then we've got my sons coming to the equation, Formula One background, straight at the game, used all the 5-axis machines before, and it was him that was pushing, we need a 5-axis, we need to move this business forward, and we need that machine. So we heavily invested in that machine and other partner machinery.
So Rose, started out really as a bottle mould manufacturer, but you moved on greatly since then.
The manufacturing side came later on. We were actually repairing the moulds, and we were refurbing sets of moulds as well. And then other bottle manufacturers heard what we were doing, and we approached them. So we've actually got 3 companies that we support nationwide on that side. Okay. But obviously we have to diversify, and there's Stuart jumping up the bit as far as the new machine and what the new machine could do. Yeah. So we were looking at different ways, pushing boundaries and seeing what we could actually do on the 5-axis machine. So from concept, project, idea, we had a customer approach us saying that he had an idea of what he wanted to do, which was a scale model engine for a Lotus. And so we work in partnership with a scanning company. They scan the engine, and then Stuart took over the programme, and then he was using that. That was the first thing, one of the first things we used on the 5-axis. We're still pushing the boundaries on what we can do on this machine. But as far as the other machines are concerned, we've got a laboratory company that within Newport Pagnell, and they wanted some adapters made, and they came to us and said about these adapters, but they'd been actually making them in a clear material. And so Dave, my husband, was actually saying, well, why not bespoke it? So
here's one you prepared earlier.
Blue material, and now we actually create specific adapters in their company colour. They're flying off the shelf now.
Rose, fantastic example. You took a big leap 6 years ago, and just looking around, been really, really successful. Another key thing, I think, was apprentices, because you've taken a few on.
Yes, we've taken 2 on. So 3 years ago, we knew that we needed additional skilled labour, well, unskilled labour, and we had a young guy approach us and say that he'd been let down by another company because he was working for them, and he'd done a batch load of work, and then when that batch had finished, they let him go. So it was a great opportunity for us. He came right at the precise time so that we can actually train him up in this specialised area of engineering. And so we've got Alistair that's just finished his 3rd year, and we've got Mav that has just started his 1st year, and they are key. We're a very tight, close business as far as working together, and they play a key role in moving our business forward.
Rose, excellent. Thank you very much for that. So again, 6 years, big leap, and now family business, but you take on the apprentices as well, which is absolutely brilliant. So thank you very much for having MTD Network along.
Thank you very much for coming.
My pleasure. Thanks.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.